LAGOON has been in the market for the last 37 years, growing and steadily becoming a major manufacturer of catamaran yachts with nearly 1,000 employees and a headquarters sized over 1 million square feet. LAGOON continues its tradition as a premier sailing and power catamaran manufacturer, employing industry-leading techniques and dynamic customization abilities to constantly redefine what is a catamaran. The LAGOON 55 is a modern take of LAGOON's dedication to excellence. Before we start, if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you love it, please subscribe and ring the bell for more videos just like this. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, be sure and let us know in the comments below. The nautical architects of the LAGOON 55 were VPLP Design, and the exterior design by Patrick LeClement. Now, I have to admit I have a thing for catamarans. I love the squarish, boxy look. I love the additional width you get in the interiors, and I love the unique spaces catamarans provide for the below-deck living areas. And when you think of catamaran manufacturers, LAGOON likely is a name that comes to mind. Now, I think the LAGOON 55 is a gorgeous-looking vessel with 3 rectangular windows in the structure and squarish windows around the main deck. I also enjoy how the flybridge is practically invisible except for the roof above it, which almost blends with the mainsail above that. I don't know how else to say it, but this is an attractive vessel, one any owner should be proud of every day. The aforementioned flybridge has a rear-seating lounging section with a forward-facing couch and a refrigerator grill station. The helm station has a large, comfortable chair with all instrumentation at your fingertips. Down a staircase leads you to the rear deck, which has another cooking area with a grill, sink, and a fridge. Plenty of various seating options as well as a dining area that seats 6. There's also a front deck with a C-shaped couch and netting between the holes. All in all, the exterior areas of the LAGOON 55 are perfect for gathering, dining, sunbathing, sleeping, or even dancing should the fancy take you. They're all perfect for unwinding after a day of sailing and finally reaching your destination. The interior design was done by Nauta Design. I love the interior spaces inside catamarans. They're just so wide and expansive on the main deck. The main deck of the LAGOON 55 is well laid out, squarish, with an open middle. Port is the map table and instrumentation. Starboard is the galley with a stove, cooktop, deep sink, microwave, and plenty of storage. Forward is a large C-shaped couch with a table. All windows surrounding this area are large and allow plenty of light in as well as provide amazing views outside. Below deck, you can get a 4 or 5 cabin version. The 5 cabin version adding a tiny 5th room by removing space from one of the larger ones on the starboard side and adding 2 side-by-side twin beds. I like the symmetry of the 4 cabin version with each room getting a large bed and its own bathroom with the owner's cabin being just a little bit bigger than the rest. I really like the materials and color scheme LAGOON has gone for here, having gray fabric walls, light wood on the walls, and dark wood on the floor. The fabrics on the furnishings tend to be light gray with yellow accents for, say, the throw pillows. All in all, just gives a luxurious feeling to the whole vessel. Another thing I love about the interiors of LAGOON yachts is that the fit and finish just always seems to be well done. Every edge, fitting, and angle looks worth the pretty penny you are spending to own one of these beauties. And that is a fact always appreciated. So what did you think of the LAGOON 55? Let us know in the comments below. And if there is another yacht you'd like us to look at, let us know that as well. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. But if you loved it, consider subscribing for more videos just like this one, injected directly into your YouTube feed. And while you're at it, check out these other videos on our channel because there's always interesting and exciting things to watch here on Neon Cab. I'm Phil. Thanks for watching.